Hi everyone. I wanted to try to get a jump start on sending you videos for Open Up the Heavens, which I hope that we will be able to present the last Sunday of March. What I want to do in this video is play the right hand melody, what the sopranos will sing, and just kind of have a very basic part in the bass. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do any repeats. I just want you to be able to hear all the different parts, so that way we'll be ready to start practicing on Wednesday. So this is the verse. We've waited for this day, we've gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your presence like a fire, awakening desire, will burn our hearts with truth. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart and filling every part of our praise. So normally we'd go back here and do a second verse, but I'm just kind of going to the second ending, or with a bridge. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. We want to see you. We want to see you. So open up the heavens. We want to see you. Open up the floodgates. A mighty river flowing from your heart and filling every part of our praise. And there's an optional tag that I think we'll do, which is just the bridge. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. And we'll work on how many times we want to repeat that tag, but that is the melody. And the verses, I think we will probably end up doing as solos. So the main thing that the praise team will be singing is the chorus and then the bridge portion. So I think it'll be pretty easy. Thanks, guys.